Good morning class. As yesterday I have started explaining you chapter 13 in English language, that is adverb, and I hope now this chapter is clear to all of you. Now today we are going to start with the exercises of this chapter 13. Before starting the exercises, let us go through a quick summary of this chapter. As I have told you that adverbs are those words which are being. Adverbs are those words which add more information to the verbs. That words are adverbs. As I have already taken the example of that boy is running softly. That boy is running. This is the adverb. This is the verb over here. But the word softly is adding more, is the word which is being added to the verb. So the word softly is the adverb over here, as it is being added to the verb. The word that is being added to the verb, or it is called the adverb. Now let us go through the exercises of this chapter. Now let us start with the exercises in our notebooks. First exercise is fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs. These are some of the options given here. You have to fill in these blanks using these options. As first one is steadily, forward, slowly, late, here, happily, angrily and fast. So let us read the first sentence. First sentence is he accepted my invitation. So the answer for this is happily. How did he accepted my invitation? He accepted my invitation happily. Second one is they arrived dash at the station. The answer for this is they arrived here at the station. You have to fill these blanks using these words only. Third sentence is she went out of the room. Which word should we use? She went out of the room angrily. How did she went out of the room? Angrily. Fourth sentence is the tortoise ran dash but dash. The tortoise ran. In the first blank we are going to fill slowly, and in the second blank we are going to fill steadily. Steadily. Slowly but steadily. Fifth sentence is horses run dash when lashed. Horses run fast when lashed. So fill in the word fast over here. Sixth sentence is I came dash in the celebration. I came, let us fill the word late over here. I came late in the celebration. Seventh sentence is come dash and narrate your lesson. Come, as we are left with the only word that is forward. So come forward and narrate your lesson. Come forward and narrate your lesson. Here we complete with the A exercise of this lesson. Now let us move to the B exercise. In this B exercise, what you all have to do is underline the adverbs in the following sentences. These are the sentences given over here. You have to underline the adverbs, as I have told you that the words which are added to the verb, that is the doing action, are the adverbs. So you have to choose those words from here. Gopi went from here yesterday. When did he went? Here. From where did he went? So you have to underline. When did he went? He went yesterday. So underline the word yesterday over here. Second word is Second sentence is, I will take the exam tomorrow. When will your teacher take the exam? She will take the exam tomorrow. Yesterday and tomorrow are being added to these doing verbs. That is the doing action. Third sentence is, we have to play our match there. Where we have to play our match? There. So there is the word being added to these verb. Fourth sentence is, they have performed nicely in the show. How have they performed there? How have they performed there? They have performed nicely. So nicely is the word which is being added to this verb. Fifth sentence is, I shall learn both the lessons now. When shall I learn the lessons? I shall learn both the lessons now. So now is the adverb over here. So now is the word that is being added to this doing action. Let us move to the sixth one. Sixth sentence is, we frequently go for swimming. Where will we go? We frequently. So frequently is the word that is being added to this verb. So underline the word frequently over here. Sing loudly so that everyone can listen. How you have to sing? So that everyone can listen. You have to sing loudly. Underline the word loudly in seventh one. Eighth sentence, I have met him twice at the club. How many times I have met him at the club? Twice. So twice is the word that is being added to this verb. So underline the word twice, as twice is the adverb over here. Now here we complete with the exercise of adverbs. Now what you all have to do is, first of all, put today's date, classwork, adverbs. Start with the heading. First one, fill in the blanks with the correct adverbs. Note all the sentences using the blue pen and fill in the blanks with the black pen. And same, if you complete it, turn the page, come to the next page, put heading, put the serial number B and write the heading, underline the adverbs in the following sentences and note down all these sentences. There are 8 sentences in this. You have to note down all these 8 sentences using blue pen only and underline the adverbs. That is the word which you have to underline. You have to underline that word using black pen as I have used over here. After completing this, you have to complete your index. Complete your index like this. Count the number of pages, count the number of page where you have ended and write that page number over here. Okay. Now homework for you all is to go through these exercises carefully. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.